guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, a very good welcome. If you are already a part of my YouTube family, a very good welcome to you as well. Please, I pray that you will remember that God will never leave you nor forsake you. This hair is the model French Super. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's the model glance braid. So if you did not see the video on this hair, I will link it in the cards up here, or I will leave it in the description box below. But it basically shows what the hair looked like. Actually, you know what? I'll insert a clip here. So this is what the hair looked like. So now that you guys saw that, I'm new to the crocheting world. I think I started doing crochet hair maybe about 3 months ago, and I'm really enjoying it. So this process, the state that the hair was in, after a couple days, I noticed it started looking like this. So this is basically, it's my 1 week update since I've had this hair in, and it gets really frizzy. It requires a lot of maintenance. Maybe it was just me, I don't know. So I wanted to switch up the style, and what I did was I use the way that the hair was, so as is that I showed you guys, like the braid out, what I did was I twisted the hair and I dipped it in hot water. That didn't work out at all. I combed out the hair and I braided it to give it that braid out effect, but then I realized that it was getting frizzy. I don't know if it's because they put products in it, some like leave-in conditioner in it, and it just wasn't working for me. And honestly, I wanted to take it out, and I brushed it out and I spritzed it with water, and then I just straightened it on really low heat. I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just used my straightener and I straightened it, and I actually liked how it turned out. So here's a close-up as to what the front is looking like and what the texture is looking like right now. Right? So I like it. And what I did, if you guys can see this, I went in with the color number 4, because like I had said, if you watched the video, if you didn't, this is a color number 2, and parts of it I install the number 4. So I just scratched it down the hair, and then I used the straightener and I ran it through it. I wonder if you guys were thinking if I did a new install. I hope you weren't, because it's the same hair. I know, right? It looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie to you. So what I'm gonna show you, I wanna show you guys an update and what I'm doing to let this hair work out, or I want to show you guys what I've done. And honestly, I like this hair. I think if I should try it in the future, I would try it for as a straight hair, not as a braid out, but to straighten it. So what I will do, God willing, maybe in the next week or something, I will give an update as to how the hair lasts. But so far, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this feels like one of the hair that you have to, oh, thank God I brought my brush. I feel like that's what this hair requires. But to tell you the truth, if you don't mind that, if you don't mind it, then you know what, you're good, right? So that's what I encourage you to do so far. That's what I'm noticing, that it kind of frizzes a bit. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some styles, and hopefully this will help you out, okay? guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I pray I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.